Hi everyone and welcome again for a new project. In today's video, I'm gonna explain Isla private residences in Dubai Island. The project exactly located here, as you can see in this screen, and we am from the project. Gonna explain us the project and give us a quick presentation. Thank you, we am for having us. Can you tell us about this project?
Okay, so the project is located on Island A. We are on the second row, right after the hotel row. So basically, you are 1 minute walk from the mall. Where you're standing is exactly where the mall will come, which is the main mall of the area.
This is the mall by Nestled in Dubai Island.
Exactly, and the beach is from the right side. So the idea behind this project is the dolce far niente lifestyle, but here it doesn't mean emptiness or doing nothing. It means doing everything at the luxury of convenience. So anything you might need if you are a kid, adult, teenager, man, woman, you will find it as an amenity in the building. So basically the building has 4 layers of amenities divided on 3 floors on podium, level 11 and level 12, and 2 full floors of amenities. So in level 11 and level 12, you will not find apartments. It's purely amenities that are answering to different personas of people. So the building is mainly made of glass and brass, which is the main elements that we need in the construction of the building or the elevation to last longer and to not downgrade in the oasis life. So basically, to be affected by the coastal life. So basically, I want to take you through the experience of the building from the Bienvenuti on my iPad, if you can join me here.
Sure. By the way, the developer behind this Isla private residences is Chaimaa Holding. And Chaimaa Holding, by the way, this is the 6th project in Dubai. They have a background of a lot of projects in Morocco.
Yeah. So basically
So you can see over here?
Yes. So basically this is the distribution of the building. This is how the amenities are distributed. And the experience starts in the lobby, of course, the reception, which is not your usual reception. This is something, when you pass by, you will remember it. It's furnished by Dolce & Gabbana Casa. So as you can see, this is the Mercato Lounge. This is the private lobby, also with statement pieces of Dolce & Gabbana house. And this is the library. Moving forward, we will start with the family level. So if you are a family, you have kids, you will want to be on this floor, which is this one. That starts with the adults pool, which is for the parents, the loungers, the pool juice bar area, the kids pool, the kids splash area, the kids play area. As you can see, it's all of it here. You have also a private lounge that can serve if the weather is harsh outside. But also it have a linger of wellness within this floor. It has the first steam room from where you can walk outside to the cold plunge, and then the only salt sauna in the area, as you can see it here. So even the breathing experience within this floor is different. Moving forward, we will come here to the 11th floor, which we called it Azzurro. It's more an adult layer. If an adult lives in the building, this is gonna be the most used and abused amenities for them. It's gonna have 3 gyms behind the main adults pool. Of course, it has the juice and bar area. As you can see, the first gym behind, the second gym, and it has also an aqua gym. And then on the other side of the 11th floor, this is Azzurro. The other side, it's Fueco. So Fueco, it's a social amenity floor. What I mean by social amenity floor, the main asset for the kind of persona who will occupy this building, it's the connections itself. It's knowing each other, it's growing each other, it's building businesses together. So that's why we made for them a whole area where they can develop their businesses or have new connections that will have kitchen and communal dining area, a private adults pool, jacuzzi area as well. It will have a lot of loungers when they can have their meetings or work from there. And it has also a private garden. As you mentioned earlier, we are Moroccan. So as we are proudly rooted as Moroccans, in every project we put a Moroccan touch. So for this project, we chose it to be the fireplace that will have the colors, the vibes, the smell, and the whole experience of being in Marrakesh.
Moroccan touch.
Exactly. So moving forward, my personal favorite is Sole, which is this layer. So basically in Sole, you will have first the communal dining terrace. You will have the sport lounge. You will have young and adult entertainment lounge. It will have reading corner. If we move forward through the maquette, you'll find more spaces. There is a reading corner over here. There is the communal dining. There is the outdoor cinema. So there is even more amenities than what we're mentioning on the brochure. Because as a developer, we like to over-deliver more than under-deliver. We want our client to be happy with, they expect something and we deliver more than that. This is what's our main focus in here. And we don't have only a beautiful elevation of the project or beautiful amenities. Already we have spoken about around 32 amenities, which is a ratio of 1 amenity for every 2 apartments, which is a very rare exercise.
Exactly.
So not only beautiful building, but also very beautiful and high-end apartments. So we take a lot of consideration into the finishes of our apartment itself. We have our exclusive partners that we work with from Italy, Spain in terms of porcelain or sanitary work, or the glass. We use Renord brand. It's a Belgian brand for the aluminum. So we have taken a lot of consideration into the finishes of the apartment itself, because in the end of the day, the most time will be spent within the apartment, and we want the experience to be seamless, either for an end user, but also for an investor, by bringing the cost of maintenance very low, so the return on investment goes very high.
Amazing.
So overall, this is it. You have the 1 bedrooms coming from the main facade and on this side of the building. This is the exercise for the 2 bedroom, and the back side is the 3 bedrooms overlooking the mall.
So the building configuration start from 1, 2, and 3 bedroom apartment.
Yes.
And I just want to add more thing. The previous project was handed over in GVC, right?
Yes.
So if you want to see the experience, I've been by myself to the project, to the building. It looks exactly same as it was in the brochure, or maybe much better. So what's the entry ticket pricing for this Isla?
Okay, the entry ticket price for Isla, it's the 2.2 million units, which are these 1 bedrooms.
So 2.2 million dirhams, we are talking about local currency.
Yes.
Okay, and the payment plan?
The payment plan is 50-50, 50% during construction and 50% for the handover timeline. And for the closings of this month, people can benefit from a 7% guaranteed ROI if they want, over 2 years, which makes it 14%.
So for now, you have option to get ROI guaranteed, which is 7% for 2 years, or you go with normal payment plan without ROI. Anticipated handover date?
The anticipated handover date is April 2028.
Nice.
Yeah, and the service charge is 19, which is, you will find it among the lowest service charges in the area, because we take consideration in the collection of the amenities to be amenities that don't consume a lot of maintenance fees, and to be very friendly towards investors. We are a very friendly developer to investors in terms of the whole exercise, finishes, payment plan, regulation. So this is our main persona that we're selling to its investors. So we want to give them a very exquisite experience in terms of the purchase of the property.
Of course. So Chaimaa Holding is well known with the credibility in the market and good reputation with every single client, and they even have a lot of repeated buyers in the market. So that was all with this presentation. Well, if you know anything, you know this is my screen, my number in your screen. You can get in touch anytime. If you are here in Dubai, we can meet in the sales center, and we're gonna sit in a meeting with from the developer Chaimaa Holding. We're gonna set up a meeting with you. If you are not here, you can arrange a Zoom meeting as always to discuss. Of course, before you step up into this, don't forget that they have a project which is hand over, and they have an old background. They are not new in the markets. So that was all from the project. Thank you, Wiam.
You're welcome.
Thank you, and see you in the next project.